How to set up a shared Cozi calendar on the Cozi application for your family here on your mobile device. For this, what you will need to do is simply download an application called Cozi Calendar from the Play Store if you're using Android and from the App Store if you're using iOS. Now, the thing we need to do is simply open the Cozi application like this, sign in with your Gmail address, and after that, you will see an option like this that we're glad you're here, Ashu. Say goodbye to family chaos and hello to simple organization. Now, there is an option on the bottom called set up your family. Simply click on that, and from there, you can add family members that you want to make a shared calendar. You just have to enter the name of the family member here. Click on the next option, like I will enter any random name. Here you have to drop the email address of their Cozy account, and then yes, you can do a group calendar with this option. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.